Your WordPress site can reach more markets, but multilingual publishing should not become a heavy plugin maze. REEID Translate helps make multilingual WordPress publishing simpler, cleaner, and easier to manage. REEID Translate works with real WordPress setups, including popular builders, block systems, and themes. With Cloud Assist, repeated or matching translations can be reused when available, helping speed up future work and reduce unnecessary AI usage. For WooCommerce stores, REEID Translate helps localize product content inline, without product duplication chaos. Admins can review translated titles, descriptions, product details, and attributes directly inside the product editor before publishing. For Gutenberg pages and posts, REEID Translate keeps the block-based workflow familiar. You can translate, review, and adjust content inside WordPress, without copying text back and forth between external tools. For Elementor websites, REEID Translate brings multilingual publishing into the builder workflow. Page content can be translated and reviewed without manually rebuilding the same design for every language. The Pro Glossary helps protect brand names, product terms, technical words, and preferred marketing phrases. Admins can decide which terms stay unchanged and which terms should use approved translated wording. REEID Translate also supports Bring Your Own Key. Teams can connect their own OpenAI API key, manage usage directly, and keep more control over AI-assisted translation. Cloud Assist helps reduce repeated translation work. When existing translated content matches, REEID Translate can reuse the result instead of translating the same text again. For multilingual SEO, REEID Translate helps prepare language-specific URLs and SEO-friendly signals, such as hreflang. That gives search engines a clearer structure and helps visitors reach the right language version of each page. REEID Translate helps turn WordPress into a smarter multilingual publishing system without heavy plugin complexity. Visit the REEID Translate plugin page to learn more, try the live demo, or contact support for help.